Hello guys and welcome to tonight. Today I'm back in a new game. Gartic Phone. Since I have nobody to play with, I'm going to see how dumb my drawings can get. Let's start. Sorry about my name. Move. Right, so what are we going to do? Make your own animation 5 frames, phone alone, or with friends. Let's get started. Okay, so what style are we going to go for? I think I could do kind of a mountain range, then me falling off it, and then me crying back home. Volcano, I just thought of that. Can't fill it in, but we know this is going to be a volcano, so it's no problem. Just to make it look more natural. This just made it look worse, but it's okay, we'll go with it. Don't know why I'm going to look so tall in this. Yeah, who cares? I guess that would be it, That looks so stupid. Yeah, and it's heading its way up. Well, I'm heading my way up there. Okay, now we're done with that one. Let's get on to the next one. Just trying to do the outline of the volcano again. See, I'm not going to add this time because it just wastes time. Let's close it off there. Better than climbing, we have to. Figure that bit done. That was simple. And now we have the volcano erupting. So this is going to be a big scene here. The volcano is erupting. Okay, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Let's see. Oh my god, let's just go here with red. Okay, so now we know we have the orange. Let's spray it everywhere. Okay, that's a little bit too big. There you go, that's good. Now we need the yellow. That's looking good. Now we need to do. Now we need to do a town. There's a nice town. That'll be one. Let's just do 2 so it's not a behemoth. There we go. Then the village. Getting swallowed whole. I actually could draw the houses better, because that's what I'm doing. Okay. So we'll see how it is at the end. You need to see how it is at the end. Hopefully it looks good. And then now we need... I don't know what I'm doing. This is stupid. It looks like they just have hair now. Okay, this should be the last one. And then now we have the volcano. Dying! I don't know. Oh yeah, this is the last one. The village is burnt to a crisp. He has his. I can definitely build warehouses. There's a lot of it that's just burnt to the. I see this dude's angry. Okay, let's see how our animation is. The volcano, someone walking up the volcano. This one is the volcano, and he's still climbing up the volcano. Volcano falling on the humans down there. And I think I was wondering where the man went. The volcano dead. This house is gone. Maybe that could be the man. Okay, let's slow it down to like that. Okay. There we go. Okay, I really hope you did enjoy this video. And peace.